Hello. I just wanted to make a quick video message and give everyone an update on what's going on. First off, I wanted to just say I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe, and I hope the best for you and your families. It's been a chaotic 2 weeks, and so I just wanted to let you know where things stand as far as I know. I don't know if everyone's heard, but the government has announced that the school buildings will be closed for at least another month. So I believe till at least the beginning of May now. But the goal is to still get students through the course. And so we still have our regular timetable till June to get students through the activities and the assignments and to earn them their credits. And so we at St. Mike's are in a particularly good situation, I think. Unlike the other elementary schools and high schools that need to take their regular classroom courses and find a way to put them online, our courses are, of course, already online. So you can continue to submit your work and work your way through the activities. I know many of you have still been doing that the last 2 weeks, which is great. So I would strongly encourage you to keep working on the course. I don't know what's going to happen with any scheduled tests and exams, and I know in some of my classes scheduled midterm exams are coming up soon. Don't worry about them. I'm still waiting to hear from the St. Michael's administration about how we're going to handle that, but alternatives will have to be figured out, and if we have to skip the midterm tests and come back to them later at some point, or if we have to come up with an alternative assignment, we'll figure that out later. For now, we just want to keep students moving through the course. Okay. I know I'm behind in my marking in most of my courses, and I apologize for that. There's been some technical issues and some other things, but I think we've got things arranged now a bit. And this week, I hope to make a big push and get through as much marking and give you as much feedback as I can. Again, if you need to send me something, and I've been responding to a lot of emails this week, if you need to send me your rough work or something that you want me to take a look at before you submit your final version of something, I'm happy to take a look at something once before you submit it. And so a lot of students have been taking advantage of that. What else can I say? I would say please email me also if you have any technical issues. I've received a few emails from students that were having problems working from home because they didn't have a computer or internet access. I know the school board sent out messages to all students and parents saying that you can borrow Chromebooks or different devices from the school board. And I hope if you were in that situation, you were able to get in touch with the school board last week, because they didn't. I don't think they gave students very much time to respond, and I think they've already developed a pretty big list of that. And if you are on that list waiting to get a device, I hope you can get one soon. But if you can email me even from a cell phone or however you can do it, and let me know how you're doing, and if there's anything I can do to help, I'll do my best. I can see who's logging in and I can see who's submitting work, but I still would really appreciate an email from everyone if possible, and just let me know how you're doing. Other than that, I think that's my. Yep, I'm looking at my notes here. I think that's everything I've got to say for now. Like I said, I have received some emails from students with concerns and worries about college applications and things like that. And as far as I know, like I said, no one knows for sure what's going to happen in the future here, but we're here at St. Mike's in as good a position as possible, I think. Other schools are a little bit at a standstill right now, and we can just keep going. And so I would say that I wouldn't worry too much about college applications and things like that at this point, because I think if anyone's going to be available to give midterm grades for their students, it's going to be us. And so however colleges decide to handle things, I think again we're in a good position. But if you have any questions about anything, individually, please let me know. And again, take care, and I hope everyone's doing well. And yeah, that's it for now.